Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Postmates promo code. So this works in 2025. You can get like a huge savings. So just go to OG Snags. This is the website. They have like tons of discount codes. And just find Postmates. You can search it up. So let me just show you guys right here. Just type in Post. As you can see, it says Postmates promo code. So just go ahead and press on this. And then we're going to press show coupon code to get our code. Now this actually is over 49 people, bro, who used it today. That's super cool. So I'm going to go ahead and press show coupon and it's going to generate. So let's just wait. It's just making sure there's a available code. And then I'm going to go ahead and press get full code. It brings you over here. You got to answer one of these and then just put in your email and they'll send you the Postmates code. So they'll send it to your email. So make sure you put in an email address that you have access to. And after you enter that, you may be asked to do a couple more things. Let me show you. Took some screenshots from when I did this. There's a page like this that usually comes up. It asks you to register, so make sure you put in all your info. Totally safe, and they're not sending anything physical to your house. Then the deals thing will come up. You can see it says complete one deal, continue. And they got this like Monopoly Go one that came up. It was $0, as you can see, and it was reach board level 10. But I'm not sure you'll even see this one, so just do whichever one you see, guys, and then you will get the free Postmates promo code, guys. That is so cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, these are just some screenshots I took of the steps you'll encounter after you enter your email. And you can go in and research the website. It's totally real, guys. So this is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested in getting Postmates codes, because this is super cool, guys. Totally works. So yeah, enjoy the content. This is so nice, guys, that they finally have working Postmates discounts. Oh my gosh, they save so much money, bro.